Why am I getting a bunch of clicks but no sales on my Amazon campaigns? There can be, I believe, 5 main steps. Why? And this is something that's up to you to decide once you're going to go through this 5-step process. So the first thing it's going to be, all right, look up whatever you're targeting, is that relevant to your listing or not? You can get clicks. Hey, you're just showcasing the product and someone is interested, but once that they're going to click within, it's like, oh, actually, this is not the product I was looking for. That means your main image might be attractive, but they don't mean to buy the product. Second, it's going to be what category are you selling in? Because, for example, if you're going to sell a couch or an item where people take more time to decide if they're going to purchase or not, it's going to convert differently than an item that is, I don't know, consumable. I just bought these protein bars. I knew clearly that that is something that I want to buy, and I just went ahead with it and I converted right away, basically, right? So is it one of those categories where it takes more time for them to decide, or is it something that they would buy right away? So now that they clicked within the listing, and this is also relevant to what I was just bringing up, why would you target your own ASINs on your own listing? Did it happen that by chance they clicked within your listing, but maybe the images are not so persuasive, but once that they scrolled on the listing, they found a different listing, a different product that actually works better for them? So that could be also one of the ways to see, hey, there is not a conversion issue when it comes down to how related the term is that someone would look up and find my product with, but once they click within my listing, they are generally not interested to buy my product just because they found a better version of whatever I'm selling. The fourth thing is going to be the cheaper, actually. So if they found your product and you don't really differentiate so much by the product that you sell between you're selling it for $15 and someone else is selling it for $12, people might convert on the $12 item, especially if they are very similar to yours. The next thing, are you selling an FBA item or are you selling an FBM item? Let's say I want to buy a protein bar right away, pricing is good, but if the protein bar that I want to purchase is going to arrive in 2 hours, for example, because we have a warehouse that's super near to us, it's going to literally arrive in 2 hours versus it's going to arrive even in 2 days or even in 2 weeks. If it's an FBM, it could be even 2 weeks. Highly likely that even if your images work well, even if the main image is splendid and you're explaining exactly the benefits of your product, they would still not convert just because the delivery time is going to take longer. So as you can see, there's multiple ways you can look into this. What I would do on my end, I would just write down everything what I just talked about, analyze it that way.